Good day, Miss. My name is Kimberly Saison from BSMA 1A, and I am here to present my answer on the question of what is money and brief history and the evolution of money. Basically, this money is a medium because it acts as a bridge that let people trade goods and services easily instead of directly swapping one thing for another. Because back then, when before money existed, people used bartering, like trading goods to goods or goods to services. And then commodity money followed, where golds and silver were used as a money. And finally, what we are using today, the fiat money that we like the Philippine peso backed up by the government. Then the second question is, what are the function, attributes, and kinds of money? First is, what is the function of money? The function of money is a medium of exchange because it makes trading and buying things easy for everyone compared to um, the bartering system where they trade goods to goods and services. It really depends sa kanang tao nga ilang hatagan. Okay, what if the the baker wants to repair her shoes and the repairer don't want a baked goods, so that will not happen. So exchange of services and goods are will not be happen. Then means one second function of money is it is a means of payment because it is a widely accepted way to settle and complete a purchase. You can use it to pay for almost anything. And the third function of money is a store of values because it holds its worth over time na dili siya mawagtang cause um you can save, like we can save it now and use it to buy things later without um becoming useless. Then the second question is, what are the attributes of money? Um, First attributes of money is acceptability because everyone accept it as a payments for goods and services. Second is elasticity. It can be divided up or down to match how people are buying and selling. Third is convertibility. Money can be easily changed into other forms of values, like turning cash into a bank deposit or transfer it to your e-wallet. Then fourth is divisibility. It comes in different sizes, like there are coins and paper. Fifth is portability. It is light and carry. It is light and easy to carry around. It can easily um, put in our wallet kay portable siya. Then recognizability because people can easily tell what kind and how much money it is. Seventh is malleability. It can be um, shaped as shape or made into different forms. Eighth is durability. It holds up well over time, like cash break, and dili siya kanang kwan mas spoil easily. The next is kinds of money. There are three kinds of money. First is what I've said earlier, the commodity money, which is money made from something that has its own value, like katong golds and silvers. Then second is fiat money. It is money that has value only because the government says it does. Then third is credit money. It is a promise to pay money like a credit card. Then last question is picture of current Philippine money in the circulation and its security features, and how to distinguish fake from real money. First is let's picture out the current Philippine money in the circulation, where there are 1 peso, 5 peso, 10 peso, and 20 peso. There are coins, but the 20 peso is the 20 peso, it has a paper version, like you may still see it everywhere, but kanang nailisa na siya o coin now. Then sa banknotes kay there are 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, and 1,000. Then the security features of banknotes of the Philippines, a watermark. It is visible when held against the light. Then color changing links changes color when you tilted it. Then UV features grows under ultraviolet, and see-through marks images that align when held into the light. Then micro printing, there are tiny text not easily nga dili siya dali makopy. Then lastly is how to distinguish fake from real money. To spot a fake from a real money, is to look in the light. Like real money has a clear watermark and fake money does not have a clear watermark. So basically, also the UV test method, if the UV test, like if the money glows in the right color when you faced it to the UV light, and if it glows the right color, it is real. But if it doesn't glow in the right color, then it is fake. That's all, miss. Thank you.